Let's do an unboxing and you can be surprised with me. Looks good. I don't know what it is, but it looks good. Oh my gosh. It's a Maybell hair dryer. You may wonder why I need a hair dryer if I wear wigs. Well, I use hair dryers on my wigs. Actually, there are heat resistant and heat friendly hair fibers that you can use. And look, it's pink. Isn't that awesome? Super exciting. I love this high-speed hair dryer. So if you like hot pink, and it probably comes in other colors, I don't know, and you like hair dryers or you know somebody that needs one for a gift, this is super cute and affordable. So I'm gonna put it right here for you.